Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and this is going to be fire alarm test number 53. And today we're going to be testing my System Sensor SCR Specter Alert Advanced Ceiling Remote Strobe. As you can tell, I've tested a lot of remote strobes in the System Sensor stuff in the past, even though including the S1224MC, the SCW, and the Specter Alert Classic Ceiling Strobes, and also the Specter Alert Advanced SR. So anyways, here we go with the test. Here we go. Are you guys ready? We're gonna flash this thing. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I have the strobe set for 75 candela, so it shouldn't be too bright. But it is pretty bright when I look at it. Let's take off the lights. Okay, let's shut off the strobe now. Okay. And for the pull station part of the test, we're going to be using the classic BG12L. And the reason why I'm using this pull station, because I tested all of my other Specter Alert Classics and Advances with it, including also the not the SCW, the System Sensor Specter Alert Advanced SR. So why not this ceiling mount one? So anyways, let's get the camera centered with it and let's pull it. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and reset the pull station. Let's pull it one more time. Push in, pull down. Alright, well, that was fire alarm test number 53. I hope you liked it. If you really want to see more fire alarm test videos soon, I suggest you guys give this video a thumbs up. And I appreciate it, and I wanted to say thank you for all these years of the fire alarm test demo series. I want to continue this series as far as I can possibly go with it, and I wanted to say thank you all for watching this video, and I just wanted to say thank you. So thank you very much for watching, and that will be it. I'll see you later. Bye.